help you to recognize how powerful you are. And you can be created by yourself, can be reprogrammed by yourself with a heart open. No more and no less.
Most people try to create change by fighting against themselves. They force positive thoughts, resist negative emotions, and become frustrated when old habits return. But according to Chunyi Lin's philosophy, true transformation should not begin with force. It begins with awareness.
We're going to focus a lot of our energy on the healing. So I'm not going to share a lot of information with you and so why cancer, how this cancer comes, and how this and that. I will just simply tell you what I know, the way how we can help to balance the cancer energy and put it in action. Level 1, level 2, level 3, there's a lot of information already there if you already learned it. If you have not got a chance to learn it, that's okay too. With the information, simple information I share with you, I believe you will have enough information to understand who you are and what you are, and then take action. That is very important. Qigong, about the techniques and knowledge, it only has 30% of the value of the process of the healing. 70% of the value is through your practice. My friend, always remember that. Take action and practice, action and practice. More you practice, more in action, faster you can help yourself to heal, to reset your energy flow in your system.
Chunyi Lin encourages you to approach them with love rather than judgment. Instead of saying, "I hate this part of myself," acknowledge the emotion and allow it to move through you. This is where meditation, breathing, and Qigong practices become powerful. When you slow down your breathing and bring your attention into the present moment, you interrupt the automatic patterns of the mind. You create space between yourself and your thoughts. In that space, you gain the ability to choose a different response.
Close your eyes, of course, and you can put your hands on the top of the lower dantian. Okay, for men, left hand inside. For women, right hand inside. And if you, otherwise you can choose your gender, and in any way, and left or right. You know, here I'm telling you good, better, best, right? So let's say, put it in this way. Okay, make sure the middle of the palm facing the lower dantian, and the other hand on the top of it. Now, you close your eyes and you just follow my guidance, and I'm going to guide you through this practice. Okay, so you close your eyes, put a smile on your face. Do you remember what SMILE stands for? Start my internal love engine. Perfect. Okay, so drop your shoulders. Now you visualize there's a light.
This exercise is powerful for people who feel stuck, heavy, or mentally foggy.
Now, what kind of a color of the light? That's totally up to you. But one thing I want you to pay special attention to is you visualize there's a soft light shining in your lower dantian. Not a very, very bright light. Remember that. When you visualize bright light, actually you focus too much in your brain, and your brain takes more energy away from the lower dantian. That will deplete your energy. As a healer, when you work on others, a lot of people use the brain energy too much, so that your vitality got depleted even faster. So after you visualize there's a soft light shining there, now you inhale, visualizing the universal love and light coming in through the skin, running through all the cells of the body, and then collects in your lower dantian, making the light in your lower dantian even brighter. Not huge brighter, just a little brighter.
This builds your energy like charging a battery.
All the energy you don't need in your body, changing into smoke shooting out from every part of the body to the ends of the universe. Now I want you to do this breathing for 3 times. Inhale, visualizing the universal love light coming in through the skin and collects in your lower dantian. Exhale, visualize smoke shooting out from every part of the body to the ends of the universe. In this way, you open yourself to the connection of the universe. And the second time, inhale and exhale. You focus on the feeling of the skin, and then also focus on the feeling of your lower dantian. Now here comes number 3. Inhale.
This practice supports mental clarity, positive focus, and emotional balance, helping align your thoughts with your goals.
Now continue to close your eyes and continue to breathe in this way. Now here, I want you to search with your third eye in your lower dantian. In the middle of the soft light, do you see this little teeny sparkling light, very teeny one, deep in the middle of the soft light? Try to search for that. In the soft light, you search for the sparkling light, teeny one. You know what? That is the light of your vitality code. That's the essence of your qi. And this essence of qi has the information of your life blueprint. What does that mean, of a life blueprint? That means it has all the life information to help you to rebuild any damaged system, tissues, and cells in the body. So that's the power hidden so deep inside. You might say, wow, this little guy is so small. How could it be that powerful? You asked the right question. Don't you believe things bigger will be more powerful and things smaller will be less powerful?
This practice strengthens grounding and mental stillness, helping reduce stress and improve posture.
Power. Think about that. It is very, very powerful. That is the essence of qi. One little bit of that essence of qi can make miracles. Actually, that is the light which creates miracles. Continue to breathe in this way and observe the light, the sparkling light in the soft light in your lower dantian. By observing that, do you feel your hands just getting warmer and even hot? Even you feel sweating? That is it. That's the power. Do you recognize that many psychic people, they look overweight? Because they use the brain energy a lot. The brain, all the activities you do, the energy is coming from the lower dantian. When your lower dantian doesn't have that much energy to support, then the vitality is in danger, is being hurt. Then the body has to activate the protecting system. So one of the things is going to happen is gain more weight to protect this part of the body. So that's why you start wearing more weight or fat in this part of the body.
This guides energy down the spine, clearing blockages in the central channel.
And by doing so, when your lower dantian has more energy, more power, naturally, the extra weight is going to be transformed because you don't need that protection anymore. And the body knows it. Do you feel your saliva is getting sweeter? That's it. That's the power you got activated and you charge the energy. So each time you can do this for 5 minutes or even 2 or 3 minutes after you're healing others, after you do psychic reading on others, and you can empower yourself and recharge yourself very easily.
This allows energy to settle and integrate. It strengthens your energy channels and deepens relaxation and healing.
Then open your eyes and rub your hands together and massage your face. And massage your ears. How do you feel? Feel good? See, this is the secret. I didn't share this to other students and only in the advanced classes, but especially as a healer, when you learn this, this is not only going to help you to recharge your energy very quickly, it can also help you to increase your focus, increase your vibration of your qi, so that while you're healing others, actually you are recharging energy for yourself and increase your healing power at the same time.